Hi guys, happy Sunday to you. Hope you're having a great day. It doesn't feel like Sunday to me. It is 2:30 p.m. right now. We just got a lot of rain, which really sucks, but it's okay. Car's door's unlocked. I'm unlocked.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Alright guys, we're going out to the car now. So alright. In the car, next thing is safety. So I'll put my seatbelt on. Safety always comes first. Hi guys, it's 2 hours later. Just got home. It's been a long day. It's there because the clock's changed forward, I think. I think it's forward. So, yeah. Probably the next clip you'll see is something that one of my subscribers requested, so I'm gonna do it for them. So, hopefully they're gonna watch this video and see it, because I do everything that my subscribers basically want. Like, I do videos for them if they want to see them, so yeah. Hi guys, so one of my subscribers requested to they wanted me to do a Pyraminx time solve. I might do that tomorrow, but I'm gonna do some solves right now because I don't have a timer with me at the moment, so probably tomorrow I'll have that video uploaded. Yeah, so why not have some fun? I can do these really fast. My personal best for Pyraminx is 26 seconds, so it's pretty fast. I'm getting faster and faster every single day. Mixing this one up. I'll mix the other one up too. Looks pretty mixed up to me. Get this one too. I'm really liking this one better than this one, because this one is a lot smoother and easier to do. But yeah, hopefully you guys are having a great day, by the way. It is 8:20 here right now. Yeah. Alright, so I'll solve these right now. Yeah. But guys, I'm going to be posting a Pyraminx tutorial sometime very soon. I don't know how fast that was, but that was pretty fast. So if you guys can like rewind it and let me know in the comments how fast that one was. That's probably the fastest I've ever done one. So time me and then let me know in the comments how fast this one was, because that was really fast. Okay, if you can, just time me for this one too. Alright, ready, set, go. Pyramids is probably my favorite one to do. It's just really fun. I like it a lot. Yeah, this one was my first one I ever saw. At first, I had no idea what I was doing. I was clueless. But mess around with something and then you get it. It's like you can do anything as long as you put your mind to it. So always keep that in mind. Do anything as long as you put your mind to it. Alrighty. Let me know how fast that one was. I know that one was a little slow solved for me. This one was pretty fast, if you could say. But yeah. Alright guys, so I've solved this one like 100 times already. And this one. And then there's this one, the 2x2. I've solved this 4 times now. I'm not unscrambling it because it takes too long. I'm not that fast with the 2x2. But I just solved this again last week. I've solved this one about 4 times. I'm planning on getting a new one because this one knocks up a lot. But the 2x2 is not really hard. I self-taught myself how to do this one and the pyramids and the Ivy cube. But yeah. Let me know if you guys have any cubes that you guys want me to try out. I'm still working on my square one. That one's a little tricky for me. And the 3x3, that one's tricky too. But if you guys want me to try out new cubes, let me know down in the comment section what cubes and why you want me to try them out. So, yeah. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's short video. I'm sorry that it's so short. I've just been busy all day doing other stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. I do like getting more cubes in like these type of videos. Gets me more views and more subscribers, which I'm really excited about that. But yeah. I'm probably gonna do that one video that my subscriber / new friend wanted me to do. So I'll probably have that up tomorrow. I know a lot of you guys been asking to do a pyramids tutorial, and I will, probably this week or this weekend. I'm sorry that I haven't done it yet, so my apologies. Hopefully you accepted my apology. But I will eventually do a pyramids tutorial. I promise. I don't go back on my word. I do what my subscribers want. So, yeah. So that's coming up soon. The pyramids solve time's coming up soon too. So, yeah. If you guys liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below what you guys want to see more of. Subscribe. Turn my post notifications bell so you guys are notified when I post videos. That's every Saturday or Sunday or sometimes during the weekday. Depends if I'm not busy or not. So, yeah. I haven't done a question of the day in a while, so the question of the day is, are you excited about more Rubik's Cube videos coming? That's the question of the day. Let me know down in the comment section down below. If you guys, I know half of you are for this type of thing, but if you guys know anybody that would like my channel, let them know. Let your family know. Let your aunts, uncles, grandparents, you know, anybody. Because I like to do different things on this channel. So let them know. I'm really excited to see where this takes me. So yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.